Una good morning. Una good morning. They say the love of money is the root of all evil. And onto this particular level, this morning, person just wake up this morning, just reason. Say, he not get money. So the thing they affect him mood since morning. I don't know. This my baby want it way me and she they do things for this show. Now she be one of those people where different things can affect her emotion. If you just wake up, say sun no shine, it could just affect him mood. You understand? You're not there the low key. But any which way, she not get choose. She must there here to make sure say all of now for house, smile back, inside your office or anywhere where you do like this. Officially, we welcome to come the PADI show, and of course I did here with my one and only girl in the emotional P, Mayolistic Mayos.
Una good morning. See, I no go just try myself because right now as I did so, this particular moment, this particular hour, 11:32 a.m. followed by 48 seconds, I am poor. These moments when I did so I will just respect myself. I no go to shout. I no go to because
Maya, why no
this
mean?
thing it be like sickness.
You know me.
Ogbolor it mean.
You know me.
It be like sickness.
Why people would tie their happiness and joy around a money?
Ogbolor, no, they talk tie happiness and joy.
See, Maya, let me tell you something.
Okay, Ogbolor.
Happiness is a thing of the mind. It's not a thing of the money.
Ogbolor. After this show,
yes,
I go chop this afternoon, Okwaya.
yes,
I go chop this evening.
yes,
I go buy card put for my phone. I go buy credit. Ogbolor, you go sort am.
Which one be sort am? You know they cook for house? You know they cook for house?
Not be food, you go buy cook for the house.
Yeah, wait first. See,
you go sort am.
Sometimes for your life, you go through that particular something. Not be say you don't die ni. People there for outside when no fit do anything. Walk out for streets, just the open mouth like say, Lord, fill me up, fill me up.
You are a very
when
useless
breeze
person.
don't fill your belly,
you are a very useless person.
Don't they worry you now.
I go just do you strong thing on top this show.
You go do me strong thing.
Ogbolor,
I go just depress your emotion. Look at what they worry this baby.
Ogbolor, this thing what I want to do for you, so Ogbolor, pay me my money.
Which money?
What?
What thing?
Ogbolor, pay me my money
Mayowa, pay my money now.
Ogbolor, pay me my money now.
Mayowa, pay my money now.
Because I remember the date, time, hour, and second.
I remember when I first give you that money last year.
Ogbolor, pay my money now.
Mayowa, pay my money now.
Ogbolor.
Mayowa.
We dey go break. Not be only. Ogbolor, pay me this thing.
Pay my money back.
It's inside they play. Nonsense.
Like
when they put us mic, I talk say, oh, Ogbolor, wait till they do after the show. Come on, go chop. You open your mouth. More go. With which money?
Mayowa.
With which money?
Oniroshi.
With which
you go get fire. Don't show you go get fire. You this girl. They will give you VIP tickets. You bid for the VIP for inside Hellfire.
I don't want to up my spirit.
Up your spirit.
If I up my spirit, they go assume say the money they there. But you know, in case of somebody want help, get out. No, they clean my makeup. This thing cost.
Which makeup? This thing cost for all this part that they run for your face.
Yes, it cost.
You'll be like foreign.
The pallets now, the pallets are like 14K.
14K. Now they're making the money they finish now. They're going to do makeup. They're 14,000. Kill yourself. More go break. You say you are broke, pa. You're not serious.
I'm gonna pay my money.
I'll pay my money.
I'm gonna pay my money.
Stop being a debtor.
I'm gonna pay my money.
Break now. Let's break on it. Wow. It can cause a very thing. Not the thief my story.
What is your problem?
Now my own now.
Now
my own. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Take.
Okay, now.
You don't the thief join. You don't say I told you say every liar is a thief. You understand? Then you branch to Hellfire and collect a VIP treatment. Finish. Talk your story. Okay, the Abi.
No need to put them. That 1 minute when I waste before I start this show, I assume say I am that. Meanwhile, the first
you are very unprofessional. And they talk this thing. You are very unprofessional every time. Continue.
Please, excuse me, please. I want to tell you something. See, make I just break this thing down for Namona. No, this time we open the mouth, they talk rubbish. Make I tell you something. For this show, we dey very, very realistic. People they make mistakes. All the shows they watch, international or international or external. All of them people they make mistakes and they edit them. This one are live. If we do this thing live and small mistake there, we go just make it be like say yes, everything just do okay. You understand? That is what is called creativity. So if you don't feel appreciate our creativity now, get problem. No be us, no dey professional.
Mona no mind am o. We love una o. If una no feel say we dey okay, Mona just talk. No mind am o. Na because the money wey no get, they make am dey talk.
Okay, so you be robot. So you be robot.
She no dey think well again.
You be robot. You know they make mistake.
Ambulance now go soon call for ambulance.
You know they make mistake. You be robot.
Mona forgive abeg. You understand, please.
You be robot. You know they ever make mistake for this life where you dey so.
See money dey somewhere.
Make I just give una my first story. Keep Ogbolor, you no get money. Now so you do yesterday. You no fit carry one ordinary 500 naira. You no fit come out and today again the same thing. Ogbolor, look.
And they promote one thing for this country.
Ogbolor, admit it.
You can't promote for this country.
Ogbolor, you are poor.
You understand?
Admit it.
Poverty is a thing of the mind. Riches is a thing of the mind. The two of them. Now for mind the day. You are a corrupt lady. You don't show. You think I don't know you because of some. Yeah. You are somebody that's a corruption. Me, I they promote walking around without cash. You understand? I walk around with my hate.
Cashless society.
And my
Ogbolor.
My hating him.
Ogbolor, cashless wound you there. Cashless, he wound you there.
That make me know they fit carry anything for money.
Cashless wound
because you are liable to be robbed.
Shut up,
Ogbolor. Don't quiet you and read your story, Jare.
No wonder they employ you for this work. You can't talk. You can't twist anything for the.
What are they
you
twist
can
again?
use talk, twist
what
anything.
What will they twist again for the thing?
Hey, Ogbolor, you.
I walk around. You are a victimization.
Hey.
Casa.
Ha! God forbid for you.
God forbid bad thing. You want to keep my emotion with your no money emotion.
This money matter, the thing where it go cost. Now, one woman stab her husband to death because he no give am feeding allowance. Now, the story what I want to tell you now. Now, for Ajegule, for Apapa area of Lagos State, one 20-year-old woman, what they call Gift Wahab. Now, so she stab her lover. You know, her lover, her boo, her bae. She stabbed her lover, Ebi Amadi 28, to death. This one happened for Thursday, March 19th. Now, so it happened. Now, make I tell you something now. These people, they live together since 2013. She come out for secondary school. And this a big guy now, him being come out from Bayelsa State. Now, the two of them then get child for 2014, then born together. And the pikin die after he's sick, small. That's what they call after a brief illness. You understand me now? Now, the two of them, they don't come out on top Thursday. You understand? They come out Thursday, then being high, then chayo. From Friday morning, when they wake up, now they fight on top. Give me money for food, money no they. Give me money for food, now in this starvation, now ain't happen. Now, two of them, they be meet for club. It be like the guy groove the guy. You understand? The guy just look and say, this is a groove. I want to groove for the rest of my life. You understand me now? Two of them, don't be say then legally they married. They just drop out from school, move in together, begin live together for inside Jegule. So, now so one stab one to them. So they talk to you now. She don't kill her
lover.
Bonfro. Of killer because you know give her the money if you go to chop food. I don't know this thing.
See that they come out a night before.
They come out a night before.
They don't go spend all the shop money. They have spent all the shop money. That's why they calm you down, Mayowa, calm down. It's because you are liable to be going a violent direction. You understand? So no, they allow the lack of money to be the thing where you propel you to go the shooking somebody. As I did for you now, you fit go bite my ear. As I did for you now, if you shook finger in my eye. As I did for you now, if you do me some evil thing. So please, you wait there for her. Say more, you know, there for your hand. Just cackle. He go come.
Cackle be shaking.
Just cackle be shaking. You understand?
Cackle be shaking.
Just behave.
AKA respect yourself.
Just there for one place. If people they follow, they laugh. If they don't follow, but they don't say hungry, catching you. Look. Sometimes if you ask some people say come, you just get like 1K.
Ogbolor.
Just to help. So person when they keep quiet, if die for them.
Make I tell you now wetin I do for this office last week Thursday.
Contribution.
Next week Thursday, I no get shingbai. Na so I sit down for office. I begin ask everybody for 1,000. Even my oga, I collect 2,000. Cheche, that one no gree give me 500. I beg and beg her, she no gree give me. I beg our producer. Wetin be no be even the other guy. No be Jeffrey. No be producer.
Ani Baba.
No be Ani.
He
always wear glass. They like from guy like this. You understand me now? I beg her, you no gree give me. You don't gree give me money. I beg her, you no give me. You give me 1,000, but you don't take. That one at the first contribution.
But at least I first give you something. When I can't realize, say you they contribute for everybody.
Shut
I say,
up. No be like that.
Now for you want collect money to take you down,
because I know they on the normal day I know they beg. But that day when I beg, they just feel the need to help me. So I start contribute 1,000. I start count like 12,000 that day.
12,000. You are making 12,000. Person will even give you money 500. Say you don't get 12,000 for pocket. You just see how they do evil thing.
So
you
that's
see women there. Women.
You understand? Just target like 100 people when you don't get money. Beg them for 1,000 naira each. By the time wait 2 weeks go complete, money go there.
You see? That's why you are broke. Where that 12,000 now? Last week to Tuesday. Go to 12,000.
You know.
You go do your hair.
No.
You see your life.
No, this one.
You see. When for you maintain a natural hair where you carry come which day for here.
So where God go catch you? Where God go catch you? Now office here now then do the hair. Where God go catch you?
Okay. I just dey assume.
Where God go catch you?
It's a assumation.
So you know if even does dash person money, make you come on mind for there. You must to tell
your
own words.
You must to tell your
words. Say see wetin you do.
I'm not telling anybody say I give you a money. I say money when you contribute by yourself last week. Shut up your mouth, Ojare. Blah. They talk nonsense. For Obodo, guilty conscience.
You see, ba? You go this kitty conscience.
Now, Mayowa, make I concentrate. You tell them gist, Jare.
Make I finish my own gist.
You don't finish now.
And don't get out.
You don't finish his gist now.
I never finish.
5 minutes only you.
God, but what's your business?
Yeah.
What's your business? Ladies first.
Talk.
I beg, make una dey try. You as woman, no they enter relationship. You come out for school, enter relationship now. You don't keep person. I beg, they take am easy. This love matter, this money matter, small. Talk. You must just find trouble, but it's okay.
Mayowa, my face. Mayowa. See, I dey talk this thing. This na man battery be this so. Una no dey look see this thing now. Una no carry placard now. Come for outside. Say Mayowa dey beat man. You no even sound well, say they beat man. You no too sound well. But Mayowa no dey hit me like this again. Seriously, one day I'll be forced to just shake your hand.
Yeah, next time I'll hit you with pride.
No, now for Bodo Yibo side. Georgia College and State University. One they do one thing they call Kalia. This guy wake up one day. They very important. See, no, they just waka anyhow go collect a medication from any kind of person or pharmacy. You have to go to the hospital if anything is worrying you. Now this particular guy go take one drug what they call Lambotrigine. Lambotrigine, yes.
No, but the name be like something I go feel pronounce.
Well, hell, Lambotrigine.
Be like car.
Lambotrigine.
It be like name of car. As in, wow, you just got your Lambotrigine.
Wow, man.
Wow.
But she go take the medicine, it's going to form a reaction for her body.
Ew.
You understand? So she just wake up one day, she say all her body can scratch and her lips still have before face so before she take the Lambotrigine. Body can scratch her lips scratch her body scratch, can they peel. Her lips peel come out, her body peel come out. She can't lose 90% of her skin.
No
just
way.
See the reaction, see her body now. Just because that medicine when she go collect, so it is very important. I beg, make everybody dey very, very careful.
Wow.
She first say, doctor first say she first get a flu. Say now a flu they worry am. But like this, all her body blister come full am, body come they peel. So now they carry talk, come and say, see, they can finally diagnose am of Stevens Johnson. You know Stevens Johnson, that one your body go dey peel. Where she can't be like this now. You understand? So everybody just be careful. No just waka go anywhere, say because headache catch you self-medicate. Body do you like this, you self-medicate. Now say they give yourself your own drug by yourself, you turn to doctor by yourself. No. Even all this agbo where they drink and everything, be careful. Be careful, you understand? See this baby one thing now. Now medicine you make her to look like a somebody or somewhere else. Oh yeah, so please be careful yourself, please. Thank you very much.
I beg, self-medication, they always talk and it no good.
It no good.
Some kind of things they react. You get some people, you remember chloroquine that year? Some people they react to bad. Somebody like me, now make I give you an example. Somebody like me now, flagyl. If I take flagyl, the kind vomit when I go vomit, you go to say my intestine won't come out. And some other people go take them.
Me chloroquine now, I go dance to coma.
No, that chloroquine everybody.
When I dey for boarding school, they give me chloroquine.
May God come catch you. May God come catch you. May come use water bath.
Oh,
cold one or hot one.
Yeah, your tongue go dey scratch you join. You scratch am for wall. Allah, no be better thing.
I beg. So we go short break now. MCR.
You know, let's go on a break, all right? So we'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. It's still a PADI show. Do not go nowhere. We'll be right back like,